Hey everyone, welcome back. So I felt like sitting down. I was packing and I decided I wanted to make a quick little video on what I am bringing with me as far as makeup goes on my little vacation to go see my family this week. And because I don't know, I like these videos. I find them helpful when I'm packing. Now, before we get started, I'm just going to address this because I know if I don't, I'll get a gazillion comments saying this. Yes, I know. The amount of makeup that I have in this bag is more than a lot of people own in general. I know, I acknowledge that. I have the too much gene. I got it from my dad. I have the too much gene. I acknowledge that. I guarantee you 90% of the stuff that's in this bag I don't need. However, it's fine. Here we are. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna be showing you guys what I'm taking with me. I'm gonna be gone for a week and I needed to have my stuff because I know, despite me saying I'm not going to wear makeup the week that I'm gone, I know for a fact I'm going to wear makeup. So here we are. It's a Philosophy bag. I don't remember how I ended up with this bag, but it's a Philosophy bag, the skincare brand. And this is my favorite thing to use for traveling because it's gigantic. I can fit all of my crap in here. I just love it a lot. It's a very, very, very nice bag. So, starting, I have all of the brushes. Now, I don't use a lot of brushes when I'm doing like basic makeup. Right now, I'm literally just wearing mascara and some eyebrow stuff. That's all I've got on. These are the brushes I'm bringing. I've got, lately I've only been wearing powder foundation. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know that. So this is what I use for my powder foundation. It's just the Jeffree Star foundation brush. This is what I use for my powder. It's great. I have my bronzer brush, my blush brush, my highlighter brush. I use this brush, oh gosh. I use this brush for concealer on my under eyes and like setting it with the powder and that kind of stuff. So I use it for that. I don't remember if I said this. This is my highlighter brush. And then I use this one for inner corner highlight. It's a super tiny one. Inner corner highlight, as well as I use it for my nose highlight. Chaos. Okay. I have my brand new NYX Bear With Me Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil Primer. I really like this. I've only used it twice, so I'm going to keep using it the amount of time that I'm gone. I have my NYX Bear With Me Tinted Skin Veil if I feel like being more glowy and wearing my BB cream. I've got this. Okay. You guys know how I feel about highlighters. You know. You know. I have 3 highlighters with me. That's okay. A lot of people wouldn't even pack a highlighter. So the first one is if I feel like wearing makeup like this and I just want to pop a little something here. I have the ColourPop Super Shock, technically an eyeshadow. I like to use it for highlight in Lady Bird, this little guy. My Essence Pure Nude highlighter, you guys know I love this, as well as my Pur AfterGlow highlighter. Also know I love that. Okay, again, overachiever, overpacking, don't need these. I've got both of my powder foundations because this one is lighter. And so I like to use it for my under eyes to brighten, right? And then this one for just my face. A normal person would just bring the one that matches their face. But as we're determining, the more videos I upload onto this channel, I'm only bringing one bronzer though, so you guys can be proud of me. I've got my Hoola Light with me. You guys know this is my ride or die. Realistically, everything that is in this bag, if I could not use any other makeup, this would probably just be my bag, honestly. This would be my bag of makeup. These are all my favorites. These are what I wear every single day. So there's my bronzer. Not bringing my liquid bronzer because realistically I'm lazy and I'm not gonna use it. 2 blushes. Hear me out. Hear me out. If I want to look more natural, I'm gonna wear my cream blush. If I want to look a little bit more bold, I'll wear my powder blush. It just makes sense, right? Because if we're going out and I want to be a little more extra, I want to be a little more, I'm gonna wear this one. Makes sense in my head. Oh, I just realized I have 4 highlighters packed in here. This is my inner corner and brow bone highlight that I use I don't know if I'm gonna end up using it. I likely will, so here it is. Concealer, I'm only bringing one concealer. This is my e.l.f. Camo concealer. Really like this, so I'm bringing this one because the under eye bags are always here and always in charge. I've got my eyelash curler because especially when I'm not wearing like eyeshadows and all of that stuff, I gotta curl them lashes, sis. Now, one thing you will notice as we get down to the end of my bag here, I'm not bringing an eyeshadow palette. If I were to bring one, I would be bringing my Lorac Mega Pro 3 palette because this is all of the colors I would wear just on a basic everyday basis. Whoa! That sentence blew my mind. That's what I would be bringing, but because this trip is super relaxed and my goal is to not wear makeup in general, I know I'm not gonna wanna wear eyeshadow, so if anything, I can slap a little bit of the ColourPop or a little bit of my bronzer on my eye, call it good. But realistically, I don't need eyeshadow for this one, so I'm not gonna bring it. Okay, next is my trillions of mascaras. Okay, hear me out, part a zillion. I've got my eyelash primer. I don't live without this anymore. I will always wear this eyelash primer because it's a blessing and I love it a lot. So, my eyelash primer, can't go without it. My brown mascara, if I do a look like this, which is funny because I'm wearing a black mascara with this look. Ignore me, 100% ignore me, it's fine. This is my Total Temptation from Maybelline. You guys know I love this mascara. It's amazing. I wear this on super natural makeup days, except for today. Have to have it, right? This is the only mini. If I were a good traveler, I would have minis of like everything because minis exist for most of this stuff. I would be compact. I would travel smarter, not harder. But this is me we're talking about, so. I'm also very energetic because I'm very excited for this trip. I'm very excited to have a break and to sleep. I'm very excited. Anyway, not the point. I've got a little mini size of the NYX On The Rise Volume Mascara. This is brand new. This is what I've got on my eyes right now. I really like it. It's a very natural mascara, so if you need like a bold, aggressive mascara that makes your lashes look, this won't do that. But I like this for natural, so if I'm wearing eyeliner for say, but I want a more natural lash, this is probably what I'll put on. Speaking of eyeliner, my Benefit Roller Liner. I might wear eyeliner if I'm really getting out of the box and I want to be extra. I'll slap eyeliner on, it's no big deal. I've got my Benefit Gimme Brow. This is all I'm going to do for my brows. It's what I've got on right now. Nothing crazy. I'm not going to bring my pencil because I know I won't use it. Got my Maybelline Lasting Fix setting spray. Always have setting spray with you. It's hot, it's gross outside. I'm going to be at the beach. I might need a little refresh. Might need a little something. Here we are. Ooh, last two things. That's exciting. I also have like Q-tips in here. I don't know why. Last two things. I've got my Ulta Beauty Tinted Lip Balm because I like wearing this if I'm not like, I'm wearing this if I don't want to wear like an actual lip gloss or anything, so I've got this. And then I've just got one of my Clinique lip glosses that I like wearing. I'm not bringing a lipstick or anything because again, I know I won't wear it. Here it is. So that's everything I'm bringing with me on my trip for makeup. You know what would be fun is if I did like a video of just the stuff that I have in my bag for this. Like, would you guys want to see that? Would that be entertaining? I don't know. I just packed this bag like 3 seconds ago and I'm like, hey, make a video. So here we are making a video. I like to make sure I can fit all of my stuff in Uno bag. And there it is. That's everything in my bag. This is what I travel with. These are the essentials. This is what I bring with me when I go anywhere. If I'm gonna be gone for more than one night. Here she is. This is it, guys. Now, if you guys want like a real video of like, these are minis, these are essential things to bring with you when you travel, everything here comes in a mini, like I would love to do that. I think that would be a great idea because I know I have a lot of viewers who travel a lot. This is more of just a here, have some content. So yeah, let me know if you guys want more travel related kinds of videos as far as makeup and skincare. I can do a what's in my travel bag for skincare if you want. Y'all let me know. I think it's an interesting, that's kind of it. This is gonna be a super short video, but honestly, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you like this kind of stuff. Make sure you let me know if you want to see more. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more of my disastrous content, and ring the bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. I upload a new video every Friday at 1 p.m. Eastern time, just in case you guys aren't notified. All the products that are in my bag are gonna be in the description below, so if I brought something that you guys like and you want to check it out, it'll be there, as well as all of my social media. That's it. There it is, guys. Okay, there it is. I will see you guys in next week's video. Later.